Hello and welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a member from a Slack channel. So let's get started. Open Slack and navigate to the channel from which you wish to remove a member. Ensure you have the appropriate permissions to manage the channel members. Click on the channel name at the top left corner to reveal the channel settings. From the drop-down menu, choose Manage Members. This will display a list of all members currently in the channel. Locate the member you want to remove from the channel. You will find the Remove option here. Click on Remove. A confirmation prompt will appear to confirm the action. Confirm the removal by clicking Yes or Remove to process. Upon confirmation, the selected member will be removed from the channel. They will no longer have access to the channel's messages or content. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful videos here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.